Welcome back! Samsung has one goal in 2025, which is to make the most powerful phone on the market. That is going to be the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Not just that, Samsung is also cooking one of the most complete camera systems on a phone in 2025. Yes, we finally have our first big reliable Galaxy S25 Ultra leak, along with Samsung bringing an upgrade of the past that we'll talk about in a second. So we're finally getting not one but two new camera upgrades that were much needed for quite some time. So first up, S25 Ultra is still retaining 4 cameras on the back, starting with the main sensor. Coming at 200 megapixel resolution, this sensor is said to be similar as the S24 Ultra, but it will be optimized for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's hardware, that is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 camera ISP. Then we have the 5x lens, again coming at 50 megapixel resolution, followed by a brand new 3x 50 megapixel optical zoom sensor, along with a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Yes, according to iCineverse, Samsung is finally upgrading the 3x zoom and the ultra-wide-angle sensor, perhaps giving them their biggest upgrade we have seen on a Samsung Galaxy flagship phone. Now, cameras aren't the only thing that's seeing the increase of numbers. Samsung is bringing back a powerful upgrade from the past for absolute pro users and gamers. We'll talk about it right after this. This is the only charging adapter you will ever need in your life, and I mean it. The TESSAN 6-in-1 international charging adapter plug is here to solve all of your charging problems forever. I'm on a Euro trip, and with this one adapter plug, I'm able to charge everything. It can transform 4 different sockets into one, basically giving you a universal AC outlet that includes 5 USB ports, allowing you to fast charge 6 devices simultaneously with up to 100 watt of fast charging power. With only 0.3 pounds of lightweight design and compact size, it has made my international traveling super duper easy. It supports over 200 countries and regions, so you never have to worry about any kind of charging plug ever again. What makes this charging adapter different from others on the market is that it has double fuse, which basically provides extra safety protection for your devices when you're doing fast charging. All you need is one good quality charging adapter, and this is it. So make your travel easy. Remember, a good universal travel adapter is as important as the visa when you're traveling abroad, so definitely click the link in the description. Alrighty, so the powerful upgrade from the past that Samsung is bringing back, which they haven't done since the Galaxy S21 Ultra, is having a 16GB RAM variant. Not just any 16GB RAM, but the industry's first LPDDR5X DRAM, which has the industry's fastest performance of up to 10.7 gigabits per second for on-device AI, cloud gaming, and more. This amount of RAM coupled with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could make the S25 Ultra perhaps the most powerful phone on the planet. Another reliable report says that Galaxy S25 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will have perhaps the most powerful GPU we have ever seen on a smartphone. The prototype GPU of the 8 Gen 4 can run Genshin Impact, which is one of the most demanding games we have on the market for phones, at 1080p resolution without breaking a sweat at 60 frames per second. In case you don't know, as of now, this game is capped at 720p resolution, but still, many phones cannot hit 60 FPS frame rate, so this has to be a huge upgrade. Now, with all this power could come a higher price. Yes, according to the latest rumors, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip could force the S25 series to be priced higher than the last generation. This is because Qualcomm has raised the price of the 8 Gen 4 significantly compared to the 8 Gen 3. With this, Samsung has 2 choices, whether to increase the price straight up for the entire series, or what they're probably going to do is bring the Exynos 2500 in the mix for the S25 and the S25 Plus and give the 8 Gen 4 exclusively to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As I said before, 8 Gen 4 is an entirely different beast. It's a completely different chip from the ground up based on the Super Orion cores that Qualcomm has used for their laptops, giving the Galaxy S25 Ultra a similar performance level as some of the M series laptops we see from Apple. That inside a phone sounds absolutely berserk to me, but let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below. Not only we're getting the insane performance upgrade and the expected fastest 16GB RAM on the planet, on it. We now have 2 main cameras coming as well. It's looking pretty spicy. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.